Trap Watches, what's going on? Today is August the 30th, 2021. Bitcoin Cash. Man, let's talk about this real quick. I'm not going to spend too much of your time. I understand your time is valuable. So I just want to give you all an updated price prediction in the market for, you guess it, BCH. Let's talk about this because our last video, which was on August the 7th, we told everyone in our community, yeah, be prepared. We're looking for the price in Bitcoin Cash to go higher. You guys can see it. I'm not hiding anything from you all. That is precisely what the price has done. But guess what? The market is getting hung up on a price level that I want to address, bring to your attention, and then, if possible, get in position on our next price prediction so that we can continually dominate in the space. Now, if today's the first time ever seen our video and our content, you all appreciate it. Make sure you hit the like button, share it, and also subscribe to the channel because I want to show you all how the price in Bitcoin Cash can hit this $800 price level, which you guys can tell is not that far. What is that, $150 away? We can see the price in Bitcoin Cash tag out at $800. Let's talk about it real quick. All right. First, let me get rid of this last price prediction. You guys can tell if you were to get out right now, the market price is literally where we told you all our ultimate TP price is going to be, 14%. Plain and simple. Done. All right. Done. Simple. Now, I want to show you this. Okay. I want to show you and ask you all the question, are we still, okay, let me zoom in on this. Are we still following this ascending line, right? Let me know. Tell me, are we still in an upward trend or did the price break the trend? It's just that simple. Don't let nobody try to come in and get you hooked up on some technical indicators because it doesn't help us. We just need to see the price and what it has done, and clearly it has broken the trend. So with that being stated, we need to take that out of consideration right now. We need to say, well, okay, since the price has broken this ascending line, there's no need for me to think that price is going to go higher right now. So that leaves us two other options. Either the price will continue to consolidate, right, bounce between a restriction point as well as a support area. That's consolidation. Or we can continue to see the price go down. It's just that simple. So let's talk about it. We're not looking for the price to go higher in Bitcoin Cash. I know that might bust your bubble, but it is what it is. The chart doesn't lie. You can see clearly for yourself that the trend is broken. And not only that, look at this. What happened on the 29th? Just yesterday. We tried to come back up above on that ascending line and we got rejected and the volume came through. So again, that gives us more confirmation that the trend is broken in Bitcoin Cash for it to go higher in price, at least momentarily. So this is restriction in the market for Bitcoin Cash. Okay, that's restriction. And this is that consolidation range right now in Bitcoin Cash. So as we continue to see this price trade, okay, this is it. We need to see this price bounce in between these two lines. Plain and simple, in order for us to reclaim price movement higher and for us to hit this $800 price level. We have to see the market bounce in between these lines because the moment that we break this ascended line, we're not going to hit $800. It's just that simple. So the only outcome that we can have that at least gives us the ability to hit $800 is for us to do this. This price in Bitcoin Cash has to continue to bounce and then eventually break out. It has to. That's the only way that we could get to $800 because we are no longer in a upward ascending trend price range. All right. So now looking at this, okay, the price in Bitcoin Cash, let me bring this closer. I don't want to draw this line, even though this line is applicable all the way down back there in 2021. I'm going to bring this closer though. Okay. So check this out. Make sure my lines are straight. Okay, so this is what I'm looking forward to. Now, yesterday, August the 29th, we saw a lot of volume coming to this space in Bitcoin Cash. So if anything, I'm looking for the price to come down at least in the near term. Okay, I'm not saying this is going to be a long drawn out weakness phase, but we can still see the price come down to $620, $600 at least for us to test this support line, period. All right. Now let's see how low can we possibly go in Bitcoin Cash. Because check this out. This is the 3-day time frame, and every 3-day price bar, we need to take note of this. The price always gives us the accurate, most current information. Look at this. From August the 14th, literally to the end of the month of August, price for some apparent reason could not break above, look at this, $700. It couldn't do it. So when you combine all of this time from the beginning of August, well, mid-August to the ending of August, and we could not even break above $700, what in the world's going on? That gives us even more credibility that this price in Bitcoin Cash is still harnessing some weakness right now. Okay. Weekly time frame. Take a look at this. Even here on the weekly price bar, we should have seen the continuational strength in the market on Bitcoin Cash after this weekly bar right there. August the 9th, we should have seen the price at least try to break out of $700 and continue to move higher to tag out around $800. The last 2 weeks, we could not even do it. And then eventually we understand that the price will get tired. The trap will get tired of trying to break above $700. And then eventually he will take the least paths of resistance and come down on lower prices. So we're still seeing that on the chart. Okay, look at that. So for us to come up here in Bitcoin Cash, right? This is not a coincidence. So when I create this horizontal line, right? Majority of the price action in Bitcoin Cash has occurred below this horizontal line. Now we've seen some bouts to where price did break out and traded above this horizontal line, but majority of every 2 weekly price bar we have on this chart has been trading below this line. So it is emphatically important for price to come back up above this line in order for us to at least hit that $800 price. Okay. So if we cannot break above this horizontal line, we already know that the price is not going to move up to $800. It is what it is. Okay. So here we are. This is the monthly time frame in Bitcoin Cash. So what do you want? Do you see that? This is the long-term price action in Bitcoin Cash. It is still on the table for us to tag out around $800. Now, how long will it take? If the market continues to follow this ascending line, right? We can see the price hit $800 around October 2022, right? That's only if it hugs this ascending line, okay? We will hit that $800 price around October, maybe beginning of the year of 2023, but it is on the table still. So I don't want you all to lose hope. If you're in a market for Bitcoin Cash for the extreme long term, 2022, 2023, so far, that is still a plausible thing that can occur, right? It can happen sooner than that too. I'm just giving you all how long it could take only if the price was to hug this ascending line, meaning we continue to trade right alongside with it, right? But obviously we can tell that price breaks out as well too. So I want to give you all that perception. I don't want you to think that it's going to take that long. So now let me clean this up. All right, let me go ahead and do the price prediction in the market in Bitcoin Cash. Like I told you, I'm playing some weakness in the market right now, but just relax, calm down. I'm not telling you that the price is going to crash. Just coming back down toward this consolidational support area right here. First area TP will be right there around 620, right? Be prepared to skim off some profits right there for 4.21%. Now I'm going to bring it all the way down here to around $602, give or take, which gives us around 7%. Just that easy, just that simple, okay? Now, if price is able to come through and hold support relatively quick, like right here around 635, yeah, the price is going to try to break out of this consolidational channel to the upside. But currently, from what I'm seeing on these charts, I'm expecting the price to continue to give us some weakness. Okay, so now I want to know, what are you all seeing on the price chart for Bitcoin Cash? Drop me your comment of your price prediction in Bitcoin Cash with a comment below. Just that simple. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.